Everybody, Silverback here, and today I bought a fantastic new toy for myself, and I'd like to share it with you. It is the Nyko Sound Pad attachment for the PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller. So it plugs into the bottom of your controller through your 3.5mm port, and it does have a pass-through for your headset, and it comes with preloaded sound effects that you can play in-game through your in-game chat. And these sounds can also be customized. You can connect it to your PC, add your own MP3 files to it. It's got a very limited storage space, so they're going to have to be compressed files, but you can add your own sound effects. And I wanted to put it through its paces and see just how well it sounded, how well it worked, if the sounds were going to be believable. And if there's one game that I know sound means a lot in, it's Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege. Sound can mean everything. So I decided to load some toxic sounds in and test them out with a buddy of mine. Now, he was unaware of all of this, so I just wanted to see how believable the sounds were and if we could trick him with it. So I'll show that video to you right now and enjoy.
Down to 10 seconds.
And here's the fun part. We're going to bust out a little lion again.
5 seconds.
See how long it takes him to catch on.
Op 4 has failed to find the biohazard container. Enemy is about to scan the area. Op 4 found the biohazard container. Enemy is about to scan the area. You have been spotted.
How the f have I been spotted? I'm not moving. Oh, dude, f this game.
You have been exposed. Enemy is about to scan the area. Enemy is about to scan the area.
God damn it.
Someone exposed you.
Dude, every f***ing 3 seconds, you're scanned, you're spotted, you're scanned, you're spotted. Dude, I don't know what's going on. Seriously, all I'm hearing is you're spotted, you're exposed, you're exposed, you're spotted. Like, what the f***? Doesn't matter where I'm standing or how still I am.
Well, I know they did have a jackal.
Oh, dude, shit is fucking annoying as hell if every fucking round is gonna be Lion, Jackal, and Dokebi.
You have been exposed.
Oh my god, it just did it again, dude. What the f***? Is this you punching me? I'm seriously losing my shit here. What the hell is going on? Oh, you're a dick. I gave up so many positions because I'm like, fuck, how the hell do they know where I'm at?
I might have bought a new toy.
Go to hell.
It's literally a soundboard attachment for the controller. And I took a bunch of Rainbow Six sounds and put them on the soundboard.
Enemy is about
Look
to
out, here
scan
comes
the area.
Lion.
Oh, you're